Hey everyone, and welcome to the Work Smarter Not Harder Dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka The Design Ninja. And this is the place where you can develop your ninja skills with Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and more. And in this movie, it's a more movie because we're going to be using Photoshop Mix to add a teddy into a basket, which is based on something from the Photoshop Mix forums. So if I just tap this project that I've started already, I've got two layers here. I've got a very, very cute teddy bear, and if I just double tap the layer to hide it, I've also got a basket, both of which are from Adobe stock. So I'm going to cut out the teddy bear first of all. So if I tap cut out at the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to work with the white because it's the easiest thing for me to select here. And if I just drag across that like so, then very, very quickly the selection is built for me. I'm then going to tap refine at the bottom of the screen and invert from the left hand side. There's a couple of bits there such as the image serial that I'd like to hide for the moment. So if I tap basic here, and I'm just going to switch into remove mode and just brush those bits out like so. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to hit the tick at the bottom right, and let's just spin the bear around and drop him into the basket like so, or her, could be a girl, don't know. But anyway, I'm just going to double tap on the layer to hide it, and then just tap on the basket layer, and let's cut that out as well. Again, I'm going to go with a smart brush to start off with and work with the white here because it's pretty easy. Just get the floor there as well. I just make my way around like so. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to just check out that I've got all of the bits I want selected. There's a little bit missing there, so if I switch to remove mode to just remove that and hit refine and invert, there's a little bit of cleaning up needed there, so I'm just going to switch to basic mode and just add in some bits here like this bit of the basket handle like so, and you can back and forth with that as much as you need. Remember that you can always refine these selections if you push the thing to Photoshop afterwards as well. I might just remove a bit of the base here too. If I switch to remove mode, I'm going to get myself a slightly smaller brush and then just brush in here to get the bottom. I'm not going to go too crazy for this demo, right? But you get the idea. Perfect. I'm going to zoom out now and apply that by hitting the tick. I'm then going to tap on the layer and duplicate it, and then drag the duplicate layer up above the bear layer like so. I'm then going to tap cut out again. I'm going to zoom in on the interior of the basket, and with the basic selection here set to remove, I'm just going to brush away the back of the basket. Give myself a slightly larger brush there just to do that. So if I brush along like so, okay, and just go around the side of the handle there and the side of the back of the basket. Brilliant. Just remove those. Just stop for a second and just come back to this side now and just get rid of that. Don't have to be too careful here because it will match up with the edges of the basket if the bear's not there. And this is masking, remember, not erasing. So the content is still there. If you make a mistake, you can just come back in and then just modify that as you need to. Just choose a smaller brush just for a moment and just brush those edges like that. Hit the tick, turn on the visibility for the bear, and there's a bit there that just needs fixing on the basket. So if I just go back to cutout for that, you can see I can remove this really quickly, this bit just here, and then we're back and the bear's in the basket. And that's it. We are done for now. Don't forget to please subscribe to the channel. Reach out to me via Twitter or my Facebook page. You'll find those details in just a moment. Please do spread the word. It really helps. Keep on watching. And until next time, see ya.